Hey guys, Brent Kinney here with Dependable Pre-Owned Cars. So today I wanted to give you a couple tips actually, on when you're going to look for a vehicle, to make sure that you're not just relying on the salesman or the person you're buying it from and believing what they have to say. I'm gonna give you some tips so that you actually can confirm whether or not you're buying a good quality, dependable vehicle. So tip number one, this is a 2007 Toyota Camry, and I want to just bring you over here and show you. So you want to pull the dipstick out and you want to look on the dipstick. So you want to make sure that it's clear, right? You want to make sure the oil's clear, because if it's dark, if it's smells burnt, then that just means that the person didn't keep up with their oil changes regularly. So you want to make sure that you're buying something that someone kept up maintenance. Next thing is you want to unscrew the cap and you want to make sure there's no sludge in here. And on these vehicles that are real common with sludge is Toyota, Lexus, Honda, like Acuras, Nissans. You want to make sure that. The next tip is going to be over here. I want to show you tip number two. And what that is you want to make sure right here, like the bolts on this, right? The bolts right here, you can see the little where it's paint has been chipped off. So that means that bolt has been turned. So this fender more than likely has been replaced. And then also right here on the edge, you want to be able to feel right here, any cracks, you'll be able to feel a tape line and rough paint. You can never make paint like they do factory paint. So when a body shop paints it, you'll always be able to tell from a tape line or the roughness on the edge. All right guys, thank you, and stay tuned for next week's tip.